Hi guys, welcome to our last STEM project before the end of the school year. Today we are going to be doing a lava lamp. What you need is some vegetable oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, a glass, and then a measuring cup. And you'll need some water as well. First thing we're going to do is to measure out a half a cup of olive oil. Feel free to ask for help before doing any of this, or ask if it's okay for your parents or guardians for that right in there. This is where we're going to have our lava lamp. All right, next thing is we're going to do about 1/4, so a little less of water, 1/4 a cup of water. I'm going to fill this up, and then we're going to pour that in there and watch what happens. Pouring in the water. So, if you can tell, hold it up to the screen, the water went to the bottom, completely separated. Got the water on the bottom, and then the oil on the top. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to add in the color. 5 to 10 drops of the food coloring in there. And watch what happens. You see that food coloring is dropping down. But it's not mixing into the oil. It's just dropping down, and it's not going into the water yet either. So, see if I can. And now is the fun part. Open up the Alka-Seltzer. Drop 1 tablet in here, and we're going to watch what happens. Ready? That is so cool. Look at it. It's like a little lava lamp. Wow. Well, this one is going. I think I might try one more. Maybe. Should I try just in this one while I have it here? Oh, that looks so cool. There we have it. That's our last STEM project. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed trying new things. If you guys really like this, we can continue doing them maybe into the summer or next school year. But I hope you used your imaginations and tried something new. And I can't wait to see you guys the next time I can. Bye.